Hi guys, let's see. Now we go to make Pushpa. We come to the jungle to make some green skin videos for our YouTube channel. So Bolia. Then we go to make some green skin video with tiger lions with viewers to upload that in our YouTube. So let's start to the make video. When they are try to make this time, I will show you how they are make videos. Hi guys, so there our camera stand is ready to make jungly videos. So their camera. So guys, see the jungle. It's ahead the Derjang Dam that's belong in Dheknal district on goal. So see here Sanatan ready our camera to make videos. Hey guys, I think you see after editing how to look these videos. This type they are edit this video with green screen and upload which videos kids are see and enjoy. Tigers, lions, viewers, rabbits, and kids subscribe like which throw the income money. Hey guys, see look how Chagul uncle use this tree as a hanger. And see, we hang there some food. Food means biscuits. See guys, they are outdid me. Hi guys, I think all of you enjoy this session. If you enjoy, so please subscribe, like. Hey guys, I think all of you know jungle is how necessary for we to live, but some people come and cut trees. They are also know tree give we oxygen, which through we live, but they cut tree. Look here, how some drowned person polluted to the jungle. So guys, I think all of you understand jungle is how much necessary for we. So I want to request you in this session, please don't cut to the trees and don't pollute to the jungle.